Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling WSL and the virtual machine platform features so Ubuntu can run. Once done, install Ubuntu from the Microsoft Store and launch it. Create your Linux username and password. Next, update packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y to ensure you have current security fixes. Make sure Windows is on a recent build and meet prerequisites for WSL2. This prevents kernel mismatches. After that, confirm WSL LV shows Ubuntu using version 2 before proceeding. You now configure WSL behavior and developer tools for smooth workflows. First, set the default with WSL set default version 2 so new distros use the faster WSL 2 VM. Then install essentials like sudo apt install y build essential git curl zsh to compile code and manage repos. Configure interop and file access by editing /etc/WSL conf to control Windows path and auto mount options. This prevents surprising permission or performance issues. Finally, customize your shell and test tools to confirm integration between Windows and WSL. You complete setup by installing optional GUI support and backing up your configuration. If you need graphical apps, rely on WSLG or an X server and install packages accordingly. Save dot files and /etc with tar czf backup. Tar gz so you can restore settings later. If something goes wrong, such as kernel version or startup failures, run WSL update to fetch the latest kernel, reboot Windows, and restart the LXSS manager service. This resolves most kernel and distro registration problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.